Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to save the reels as draft on your Instagram. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So to save the reels as draft on your Instagram, first of all you just need to go to the profile page now, and now just click on the plus symbol on the top and click on the reels option. And now here you can just post any videos or photos as a reel. So I just choose a video here, and I'm just going to turn it off, and here I'm just going to have some caption about my video. So some edits like a smartwatch, and we can just add some emojis. Now you can just also add some topics for the videos. So whatever that you want to find and whatever that you want to give to the videos, all edits can be created, and you can just put it on the draft. So you can just post whenever you are on the busy schedule. You just click on the post and it easily you can just post. So if you are free, you just make every edit, and you can see option on the bottom called save draft. Just click on the save draft, just click on the gallery option here, and you can find the draft on the center. You just click it. Now you can see every edits already, so click next and just post it. This is how you just use the save draft option. You can just edit it again, and you can just save as draft, and you can post whenever you want. So it's make easier to post. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.